हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि हम नंपाई की हेल्प से स्वैपिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इस प्रैक्टिकल में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि नंपाई की हेल्प से हम सॉर्टिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो देखो, एक बेसिक सा प्रोग्राम दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे जो हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करना है। वी हैव टू राइट द नंपाई प्रोग्राम टू सॉर्ट अ गिवन एरे बाय द nth कॉलम। अब इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है कि हमें नंपाई का यूज करना है इस प्रोग्राम को बिल्ड करने के लिए, जहाँ पे हमें एक सॉर्टिंग अप्लाई करनी है। वो सॉर्टिंग किस पे करनी है? तो वो एरे पे करनी है, जिस उस एरे के ऊपर जो नंबर रहेगा कॉलम का वो हमें दिया गया रहेगा, तो उसी सिर्फ कॉलम के ऊपर हमें एक सॉर्टिंग अप्लाई करनी है। फर्स्ट विल इम्पोर्ट अ numpy, will create an alias for it np. So we have created a variable called nums, जहाँ पे हमारा जो एरे बन के आएगा वो स्टोर होगा। And then we're using numpy over here. With the help of numpy, we're calling its functions random and random integer, जो एक flexibility provide करेगा for creating random numbers. Especially random is creating float numbers, लेकिन हम लोग integers चाहते हैं, तो we will be using random integers, which in that we are passing the parameters like 0 and 10. 0 and 10 specifically because we want the numbers goes from 0 to 10. Here the 0 is inclusive but the 10 is exclusive. So the 3 by 3 matrix being created with the numbers from 0 to 10 randomly. Now once our array is created, next is we start applying the sorting. Now here we are using an arc sort. Now what arc sort will do, it will help us to sort an array in an ascending order, but that too on a specific column only. Now, in order to do that on a specific column, first of all, we are writing here a print statement. So we are using in a print statement, first of all, that is nums in a square bracket, again nums, because we want, first of all, we're gonna tell the arc sort which column you have to perform on. So for that, we're using a slicing here. We are calling in the first position, we're not giving as such anything. So we're keeping colon as it is. So colon comma 1. That means all the rows will be there, but only one column will be selected. That is column number, index number 1. And then applying a function of an arc sort ahead of it. So that will ensure it is happening on the column number 1 only. Then after that, we want this all sorting that should be done on an whole array itself, but keeping the arrangement as it is. So we're gonna so we're gonna have initially that is nums. So it will make sure in the original array the sorting will be done on the column number 1, which is going to be in ascending order, and rest all will be kept as it is. So if you see now, initially in index number 1, that is our second column, we have 3 to 8. But when we have performed the arc sort, now if you see, we got 2, 3, 8. But rest, if you can see, the rows for the 2, that is 2 to 9 is still the same. And if you see 2 to 9, 2 to 9, the whole row has been came in the first place. Then we got 3. So 6, 3, 2 has been came in the second place. And lastly, we got 3, 8, 5. So as it is in the last position because of an ascending order. So we're not gonna see. So that is not gonna be changing after all. And similar ways, we have done that one more time, but this time we're just changing the column number. Now, if you see, by changing a column number, I got initially, this is my column index number 2. So that means this is my index 1, this is 2, this is 0. Initially, this is my index number 0, this is my index number 1, and this is my index number 2. So on index number 2, if you focus now, first of all, I got 1, then I got 2 and 7. That is an ascending order. Keeping the rows, rest of the columns as it is, respect to the particular column 2. The outcome in such a way that in ascending order, you got 1 first with this whole row. So 1, then you got 2, so 2, and 7 is the last one. The whole row has been came at the very last position. So in the next video, we'll discuss about practical 2.2. So don't forget to subscribe.